Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so delighted to be taking you through this wonderful opportunity of taking a project. And this is our prospect plan demonstration. My name is Asa Fundikwere, and I've been with this company for now officially 1 year. God has been so good. I joined the multi-level marketing industry the past 7 years. It's been an exciting journey. And I joined plainly because I wanted financial freedom. There is not a single day that I do not wake up in pursuit of that. I'm self-motivated, and I'm so glad that I've been able to get exposed to as many powerful people as possible. My mindset is on cloud nine, and I want to tell you one thing that our associations pretty much determines who we are. So today, I'm doing this Zoom to be able to share with you how you can be able to make an income in techno projects. So this is our official prospect plan demonstration. This is our official prospect plan demonstration. Company offices. We are located on a Kampala Road in a building called Church House on the 8th floor, and we started in November 2018. We're excited to touch as many people's lives as possible. Our corporate team is made up of Jason Kabuza, the Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Samuel Mosigwa, our CDO is in terms of systems development, and I act as the Chief Marketing Officer. Mr. Colin Olini is the Head of Accounts, as well as Jovia Nasuga, Head of our support team. Then the Administrative Officer is none other than Marion Musinguzi. Our flagship product is called Stages. Stages is an acronym which stands for SOMA, Pay As You Go Edutainment System. I repeat, Stages is a school fees collection application which stands for SOMA. SOMA is the Swahili word SOMA, Pay As You Go Edutainment System. This platform was designed to bridge the gap between school owners and parents in terms of school fees payment. It gives a parent an opportunity to be able to pay in 100 days, 75 days, depending on how long the term will take. So every day they commit the certain amount of fee that they pay to the school instantly. Now this helping the school owner to be able to generate school fees collection, which is 100% before the end of the term. Challenge. Now, mobile phone usage in Africa. Out of the 500 million phones that were surveyed in 2011, we only had 15 million smartphones on the African continent. So this made 3% of the phones held as smartphones. Now 97% were basically what we call ordinary analog phones. And what I'm trying to say here is that you can see the percentage is very small. Fast forward in 2018, phone distribution started at 8% for smartphones and 92% for analog phones. In Uganda, is a teacher Simuzama says. So our goal at Techno Project is to digitize Africa by putting smartphones in the hands of as many people as possible. Why you need a smartphone? There are some essential applications that you cannot have on your phone unless it is a smartphone. If you look at an application like Jumia used for shopping, or LX where you can sell things and buy things which are used, if you look at applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, all these applications require a smartphone. Now today you've had of mobile banking. Every bank is basically trending towards what we call mobile banking. So you can withdraw and save your money without the hassle of debt standing. There's some applications for transport like Border, and YouTube. All these applications cannot basically appear on an ordinary phone. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is why we are promoting the smartphone. In Uganda, 80% of most people are still using analog phones, and 20% are the ones who hold smartphones. What I'm trying to say is we are trying to put as many phones in the hands of as many people as possible. Now, before I talk about our business, all of us make money in 4 ways. You're either employed, just like you see in the quadrant E, or you're self-employed, just like you see in the S quadrant, or you own a big business, or you're an investor. The research quadrant was designed by Robert Kiyosaki, after studying why some people on the way. These are the four ways worldwide how we basically shift after in life. And as an employee, you have a job, but with this job, you don't have independence. Yes, back in the 70s, 60s, and the 50s, when someone graduated from university, I don't know about your society, they would basically jump out of university, and the company that would employ them would give them a car, would give them a house, and the children will all be paid school fees for. Fast forward 2018, 2019. When you graduate with your degree, you have over like 100,000 people who have studied your degree. And the economics, there is a lot of supply and demand, which says that whenever you have a high labor force, high supply of labor force, the demand goes down. The employment cannot guarantee you of a better future. And what we are trying to fix to protect the project is you can migrate from the employment section to the B and S section as you want to see. There are the pleasant sections to live on in this day and age. So as an employed person, you can work for over 40 years. If you see that gentleman running through that thing, it's what we call a rat race. You can work for 40 years, not showing a thing in one way or another. We've seen people in our society who have been working for the last 40 years, last 30 years, and they don't have anything to show for it. Why? Because they used to earn money and spending it every single time. And the other thing I need to emphasize about employment, you're not assured of security in terms of the kind of work you're doing, then you don't have time for yourself, but also you do work hard. Plainly put, if you look at someone who's working in a bank, the shareholders do not work as much as the people who work in that bank because they put in all those hours. So as an employee, you earn an active income. And when you get tired of employment, you say, let me start up a small business. Now, in technical projects, with these people, to be able to live a good life, you need to basically start up a plan B for yourself because you cannot depend on a job primarily. So from eco-grant, we shift on to the escrow grant and self-employment. This comprises people who are mechanics, an electrician, a contractor, someone who owns a shop, he owns a saloon, he owns a boutique. These people think they own a business, a job. They have a small business, but they simply own a job because they do not have time for themselves. I'll give you a scenario. You know of a friend who every time you ask him to come for a certain birthday party or wedding meeting, he says, I'm so busy I don't really have time because they've become a slave to their businesses. They don't have time for themselves. This is what is happening all over the world. So as a self-employed person, yes, you will enjoy all the profits that come from the business, but also the debt primarily affected by you, the individual who is a sole proprietor. Here, most of the time, we run with a lot of insufficient funds. So in the E&S program, you earn an active income. The other thing I need to emphasize is you have too much stress because, as you notice, this is where people basically do not have time for themselves. Now let's switch on to the B and I quadrant. In the B quadrant, the B quadrant, you're regarded as a business owner. You own a system and people work for you. Within the B quadrant, that is where you enjoy the concept of leverage. The concept of leverage simply says, other than me earning 100% from my own efforts, I'd rather earn 1% from the efforts of the current people. So, here as a business owner, you own a system, and what happens is people work for you. Within the system, there are three components. You can work with other people's time, you can work with other people's money, you can work with other people's experience. Plainly put, how do you work with other people's time? When you work for, let's say, an employer, let's say, in Kampala here we have a banker called Mr. Sudi Pereira, and there are over 3,000 employees who work for a gentleman. If all the 3,000 employees work in his businesses all combined, they are putting in 8 hours as an individual. That means in a single day, to get 3,000 times 8 hours, Sudin would have worked for 24,000 hours in a day because he's starting on his time. The system I'm going to show you can help you basically work with other people's time. Sudin uses other people's money how? So that when you get a job working for him, you don't save the money in a bank. 5 to 10 years to buy your dream car or your dream house. What do banks do? They're going to loan that money to someone who has a entrepreneurial capacity to create more jobs because, as you can look in the eco-grant, they're over 75%. Most people are looking for jobs. So that's how banks basically get the money instead for 5 to 10 years to buy a dream car, your house, and loan it to students to create more factories because people are looking for jobs. Together. So as a business owner, you can use other project experience. How? Most of these guys who you see own very powerful businesses, probably senior four dropouts, high school dropouts, but they have studied the language of money. What I'm trying to say is that they have created a system where they tap into the mindset and resources of people who are very sharp around them. As a concept in life, you need to employ people who are smarter than you. And this is exactly what they do. In their companies, they have people who have PhDs, master's degree, human resources, IT specialists. They all put in time and benefit the dream of the business owner. So in our system, I'm going to show you how you can work with other people's experience, other people's money, and other people's time. Of course, when you become a business owner, you can become an investor. And as an investor, money works for you, and you plant your investment fire. Every time if they make profit, they basically pay you on a day, on a monthly or yearly basis. So as an investor, money works for you. The thing I need to emphasize is today, if you look at the people who fall on the B and I quadrant, they earn what we call a passive income. Passive meaning it does not require their presence at any one moment. These guys enjoy what we call plenty of spare time. Together, plenty of spare time, the work is easy, and it is stable because this is your business. Just to put it plainly, between Sudel and his managers, who works the most? Yeah. Then between the managers and Sudel, who makes the most money? So the business owner simply sets up the system for life and it keeps paying them even in his absence. What I was trying to point out in this quadrant is, if you look at the E and S quadrant, they're over 95%. They make 95% of the world's population in terms of money. But if you look at the B and I quadrant, they make only 5% of the world's population. And now let us look at the wealth distribution. The people who fall on the E and S quadrant, yes, they're 95%, but they own only 5% of the world's wealth. But then the people on the B and I quadrant are basically 5% only, but in terms of wealth distribution, they own 95% of the world's wealth. So what I'm trying to say is that these guys in the B and I quadrant have learned certain things in life that people on the E and S quadrant have never taken note of. What I'm going to share with you is a concept which can help you migrate from the E and S side to the B and I side. Yes, it's going to take some bit of work. It might take you 3 to 5 years. Let me tell you one thing, you will be earning money even in your absence because passive income is king and cash flow is king. Okay, so let's get started. How to get started? To join this project, the Tech Pro VIP package is plainly $80 US all over the world. And once you pay for your package, the system is going to pay you a referral bonus of up to 20%. And this means every person you introduce with a VIP package, automatically you're going to earn $16. Yes, I repeat, 16 US dollars. And you introduce 100 people, get 16 times 100 people. That's following. Now, besides the sponsoring bonus, we have what we call the one-liner bonus, which happens shift from the time you started. If you look at this table, it talks about the one-liner bonus, and it talks about the fact that, anyway, if you look at this table, it has 5 columns. You have a section which has levels, then global downline. This represents the number of people who have joined all over the world from the time you started, because this system, this kind of compensation plan is a teamwork kind of compensation plan. Anyway, everyone who falls into the techno project, techno VIP, automatically is going to fall under your network from the time you started. Then in the next column, we have what we call the income levels, or how much you're going to earn from the time you started. Then we're also going to the direct section, represents the condition you need to fulfill. So the number of people you need to introduce for you to be able to earn the kind of income that we're talking about in this column. Then if you look at the closing day, it represents the day on which the money is paid. So I'm going to explain this bonus one at a time. Now, if you look at level 1 closely, after 20 people have joined from the time you started, you qualify to earn $10. And all you need to do is simply introduce one person, and your cash or your commissions are paid in exactly after 7 days. So the next level is level 2. After 40 people are joined from the time you started, you qualify to earn $20. What condition do you need to fulfill? Simply introduce one person, and after 7 days, that's when the commissions are paid. You direct into your account. If you look at level 3, after 100 people have joined from the time it started, because everyone joins in a straight line, you qualify to earn $40. All you need to do is simply introduce one person, and the cash is paid in exactly after 7 days. The next level is level 4. You qualify to earn level 4. After 200 people have joined from the time it started, you qualify to earn $80. All you need is to simply introduce one person, and what you need to take note of is the money is paid after 7 days. Level 5. After 400 people have joined from the time it started, you qualify to earn $160. All you need to do is introduce one person, and the system is going to pay you that money in exactly after 10 days. Level 6. After 1,000 people have joined from the time it started, you qualify to earn $200. All you need to do is simply introduce 2 people, and the system is going to pay you $10 after 10. It's going to pay $200 after 10 days. Level 7, the 2,000 people have joined from the time it started, you qualify to earn $200, and the system is supposed to pay after 15 days. All you need to do is introduce 2 people. If you look at level 7 to level 12, the condition of people you have to introduce is exactly 2 people. Now, let me run very fast. Level 12, after 9,000 people have joined from the time it started, you qualify to earn $3,125. All you need is to introduce 2 people, and the money is paid after 15 days. But a quick question here. If you know you're supposed to introduce 2 people to earn $3,125, would you say to better receive that money after 15 days? Think about it. This is one of the most powerful compensation plans. So here you even have an opportunity to support people who don't have cash flow by basically getting just some of that money and hopefully them join the system. If you look at level 13, level 15, you're supposed to introduce 3 people. Let us look at level 15. After 18,000 of just the time started, you qualify to earn $5,500. All you need is to simply and ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, so let's run direct to the last bonus, which is the last level, which is exactly level 18. After 30,000 people have joined from the time it started, you qualify to earn $8,750. All you need to do is simply introduce 4 people, and the money is paid after 30 days. So this is the one-liner bonus. What you need to understand here is first come, first serve. The second thing you need to understand is the starting point on the 18th level, the commission stops. So if you're very wise, it will be better if you open up like 2 to 3 accounts of $80, such that if you hit the maximum, which is 30,000 people, the other ones can follow and keep on paying you commissions entirely. I don't know about you, but this is quite very exciting. And from level 1 up to level 1 up to level 5, to take note. From level 1 up to level 5, if you take note, this is where the challenge is. But after that level, everything is smooth. You cannot fail to get that money if you decide to. Because you don't have to just start to sponsor people. All you need to do is simply do the right thing. Now, let's go VIP as a reward system. And this is how we redeem our gifts. We are in the business of empowering our school fees application such that it gets mileage and value and usage all over the world. Now, this is our reward system. You're not just going to earn an income, they're also going to earn from our reward system. And just to make you understand the VIP system, every time you sponsor someone who is called a direct referral, or level 1 downline, the direct referral system is going to give you 5 points for that referral. Now, if that referral goes ahead and introduces another person, you're going to earn 2 points. Then the second level downline, if they introduce a third level downline, you're going to earn 1 point from the third level downline. The third level downline is going to produce a fourth level downline in your network, you're going to earn 1 point from them. The fourth level downline is going to introduce one person who is the fifth level downline, and you're going to get 1 point. Now, from level 6 up to level 10, you qualify to get a half a point. How do these points benefit you? When you hit 200 points, you are regarded as a member of the Tanzanite Affiliate Club within the Petro VIP Award system. And at this level, you're going to get a Techno Spark 3, 1 month data and airtime, plus a cash gift of 62 US dollars. 62 US dollars and a half. So the next level after 200 points, if you work hard and hit 500 points, the system is going to give you school fees worth 200 Uganda shillings. The system is going to give you school fees worth 200 US dollars, and the school requirements worth 50 US dollars, and the cash prize of 125 US dollars. Because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't have got this national network which generated this point. What you need to understand is that when you work hard, school fees, I don't know how the rate is in your society, but $200 for a single term is quite enough money, and most especially here in Africa, averagely. The next level is if you work hard and you hit 1,200 points, you are regarded as a member of the Millionaire Staff and you will receive recognition for that. One thing I need to emphasize again is at this level, you're going to get school fees for 1 year worth 600 US dollars. The school requirements worth 50 US dollars, a new uniform worth 25 US dollars, new shoes at $12.05, as well as a cash gift of 125 US dollars for having promoted. In techno projects, in our Pro VIP reward system, we avoid a situation where you, the parent, to pay all the school fees and even fail to get money to help you move around town. So from that level, the system will be built afresh, and when you hit 1,200 points, 2,200 points, the system is going to give you school fees for 1 year, worth $600, school requirements worth 150 US dollars, a new uniform worth 25 US dollars, new shoes worth $12.05, plus a cash gift of 625. The next level is 5,000 points. When you hit 5,000 points, you will receive recognition as a member of the Diamond Affiliate Club. You will basically get school fees for 1 year, worth 600 US dollars, divide that by 3, meaning every time you get 200 US dollars. The other thing I need to emphasize is you get school requirements worth 150 US dollars, a brand new motorbike from our sponsor, or a small plot of land equivalent to the price of a motorbike, and a cash gift of 375 US dollars, plus a trip to Mombasa here in East Africa. When you hit 10,000 points, the next level, you'll be rewarded as a member of the Platinum Affiliate Club, and then you will get school fees for 1 year, worth 600 US dollars, school requirements worth 150 US dollars, a brand new car worth 25 million US dollars, worth 25, worth around 6,000 US dollars, and a trip to Dubai City. The highest level is when you hit 30,000 points. You are regarded as a member of the President's Club member, and then you get school fees for 5 years, which is $200. $200 times 5 years, every time $200. So by the time you finish 5 years, that will be 3,000 US dollars, and the cash gift of like 10,000 US dollars. We believe this is a good starter for you to set up any project that you might want to be able to set up. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it about our reward system. One, you're not just going to make money, but you're also going to find simplicity in terms of school fees payment. I want to emphasize one thing. When you clock 25 years plus, this challenges of school fees takes each and every person. So I know this project targets the core of everybody's heart in our society, and most especially here in Africa. What do you need to do to be the next success story? Simply register with either one account, 3 accounts, or the Petro VIP package. Number 2, recruit or invite to earn referral bonus, matching bonus, or what we call the Petro VIP online income. Number 3, repeat process 1 and 2. You'll basically get the phone, you get the tips, you get the car, you get the house, plus you'll be a member of the support program. Now, to walk 1,000 miles, you have to decide to take the first step according to Confucius. The first step is saying that if I have understood this concept, I believe I can do it. The first step is in your heart declaring that I think I can do this. You get what I mean? The first step is taking up that payment of $80 US and basically buying your package. If you are anywhere in the world, let us say you're around Dubai, you're anywhere distant from Uganda, what you can do, simply put that money, you can basically register by the link they provide you using your Bitcoin, or you can send that money through MoneyGram agency for you to be able to get registered. We believe that with God and Techno Project, everything is possible. But ladies and gentlemen, I need to emphasize one thing: time is the most valuable thing a man can spend. We just shared with you that all the rich men understand that to be able to succeed in life, we need to tap into other people's time because God gives us only 24 hours in a day. It is up to you to find a system where you can work more than 24 hours a day. Some people in our society are wondering what is happening to them, but every day they are only working for 8 hours. As a business person, you need to know that in your mind, you need to create a system that you can tap into other people's lives. Network marketing, normal level marketing, the techno project, provide you an opportunity to be able to work with other people's lives. So you can get our techno project uh, application on Google Play Store. So be a part of it. The other thing I need to emphasize is life is a fight for territory. In life, to get what you want, you need to fight for it. I believe that to be able to succeed at anything, there's a certain level of degree of input in terms of energy that you need to put in. The first 1 year might be a challenge, first 6 months might be a challenge for you, but it doesn't matter as long as we persist and build and follow our system, your life will not remain the same. On a daily basis, we have Zoom meetings that happen to explain this opportunity. So all you need to do is encourage your friends to download the Zoom app onto their phone and plug into our presentations that happen daily at exactly 9 p.m. in the evening in East African time. And I do know one thing. After so many people have learned about this opportunity, your network has grown and most of your challenge of financial basically going to be sorted. So join us today. I know in life we can do so much together. In life, there are three types of people. First category is the people who make things happen, the people who watch things happen, and there are people who wonder exactly what happened. What type of person are you? If you're someone who makes things happen, let's partner in this project. And I know one thing, we can touch so many people's lives. May God bless you.